If they never asked for your side of the story, then the side they heard is exactly how they feel about you, and that tells you everything you need to know. People who truly care will seek the truth. They'll come to you, ask questions, and try to understand. But those who jump to conclusions, who accept rumors as facts, were never really on your side to begin with. Never explain yourself to people who are already dedicated to misunderstanding you. Some people don't want the truth. They just want to believe what fits their version of you, what fits their narrative. No matter how clearly you speak, they'll only hear what they want.
Dahil kahit ano ka pa man, kahit sino ka pa man, kung tanggap ka ng isang tao, mamahalin ka niya nang walang pag-aalinlangan, nang walang pagtatanong, dahil ikaw ay ikaw. Walang sino man ang makapagdidikta sa'yo.